5, Abbott's Bridge Park. River access. We got people lined up to get in the water today. That's crazy. Wow, look at all the people. Chattahoochee Tubing. We'll do a little plug for you. Boom, boom, boom. Chattahoochee. That's like our second shoals. Joe doesn't like hunting. All right, we are at Medlock Bridge. And all those tubers you saw earlier, this is where the Chattahoochee River Tubing Company, that's where they pull out right there. This piece of pretty fast. And now from this point, we're at Medlock. It's about 2 miles to Jones Bridge. We'll get close to this. It looks all rocky. They're all getting, I mean, that's definitely sketchy over there. Look at this place. Packed. I don't know, it could be sketchy for sure. All right, let's go for it. Hey, here we go. Oh.